USDT to ToneKeeper. So here's a ToneKeeper app, and basically you have your wallet, and you create your wallet, and then you need to also go to tokens and settings and enable Tether USDT, so to make it visible. So basically that's the idea. And then from here you have USDT, and then you tap on the receive, and this is your receive USDT address. So yeah, basically send only USDT and tokens into network to this address. You might lose your funds. So that's basically how you can receive USDT here. So that's just what it is. And then you can send USDT here to this address from Binance or some other exchange. Just remember to send it into network. So yep, there you have it.